everyone. We are the group 3. Our concept paper is entitled Reflection. This concept paper aims to demonstrate how individuals conduct themselves in daily life. Our objective is to justify Gottman's view that people are actors in a play that never ends or dramaturgy. We will be doing a performance that displays how settings, appearance, and manner affects an individual's method to portray himself in everyday life. The overall performance shows that we are all just acting out and making up to look prepared and organized as an individual. According to Goffman, impression management is when individual present the self based on perceived audience in the portrait, and that is what our performance all about, and that is how we present ourselves in daily life.
Napatigil ako sa pag-aayos ng aking buhok. Agad akong napatitig sa babaeng nasa harapan ko. Napangiti ako habang nakatitig sa kanya, isang babaeng puno ng kasimplihan at walang gaanong kaartehan sa katawan. Isang babaeng tahimik, mahiyain at mahinhin. Kung ito'y pagmamasdan, maganda kaya ang kanyang tingin. Paminsan lamang ba siya magbahagi ng saloobin? Oo, hindi siya kagandahan, hindi din siya katangkaran. Mukhang mabuti naman ang kalooban ng babaeng ito.
Look at me, I would never ask for a perfect bride or a perfect daughter. Can it be? I'm not meant to play this part. Now I see, if I were truly to be myself, I would break my family's heart. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Who is that perfect bride? It's not me, though I've tried. When will my reflection show who I am inside?
Marami kaya siyang napapasaya? Marami din kayang nagmamahal sa isang tulad niya? Napailing na lamang siya at napangiti habang nakatitig pa rin sa kanya. Muli niya pinagpatuloy ang pag-aayos ng buhok. Nang makontento ay tinigil niya ito at napangiti sa babaeng nasa harapan niya. Tinitigan niya lamang ang kanyang refleksyon sa salamin at muling ngumiti. Ikaw ay ako, kaya mo ito. Ako ang babaeng iyon.
No one knows.